Okay, this is a
It's actually a
custom
2004 S4R.
And it's titled as a
2001 900 Super Sport.
Yeah. So
Because it's a custom built bike from parts.
this was built from parts and
by Marvin Jensen.
Marvin Jensen, one of the Ducati cognoscenti, or what do you call him? The Renaissance man, right?
Yes, the Renaissance man.
The Renaissance man. He can do anything. And this is a custom paint. What's it?
Black cherry.
Black
single
cherry.
stage. The wheels are PVM forged or available cheaper with stock white wheels. Marcassini white wheels that are just cast wheels.
Right.
These are forged in gray, in a flat gray color.
And this is $9,000 with the wheels on it?
Yeah.
And how much with them, with the stock?
I would take probably 1,000 off. Knock it down to 8,000.
Yep. So that's a 996 or a 999 motor?
996.
996 motor.
And carbon in the front fender, carbon on, when you go around the other side, there's carbon covers on the end.
Testoretta, they call them?
Nope, that's before pre-Testoretta.
Pre-Testoretta. 3-valve, 4-valve, or?
4-valve.
It's a 4-valve motor.
Right.
Yep. What's the difference between the Testoretta and this?
It's just a different engine design.
Oh.
The 999 and forward. They run smoother, quieter, more even.
Okay.
Again, it's got Superbike forks from 996 Superbike. Those are not monster forks. It's a wider, bigger fork. Custom-made triple trees. If you get closer to it, you'll see that the top adjusters are anodized in black cherry to match the paint. But
got a radiator guard on it. Oil cooler guard.
This is all custom-made parts up here. This is all Cycle Cat risers, fully adjustable in every direction.
Okay.
For the rider.
Yeah, I see that.
Of course, the
such beautiful paint.
Fast by Faraci exhaust system.
Carbon covers on the cam.
Right.
Belts.
Yep.
Carbon cover on the slipper
right. Anodized pressure plate.
Anodized.
Red pressure plate.
Yeah, yeah.
Olin's back shock.
Olin's back shock.
For a 200-pound rider.
Okay, 200-pound rider.
And it's low to the ground. It's only a 29-30 seat height. But yet, you don't drag your feet.
Got a Road 5 on the back.
Yep, Road 5.
What's that, Q3 or a Bridgestone?
Q4 on the front.
Q4 on the front.
Oh no, it's a Michelin. I take it back. This is a brand new tire. This is the Michelin.
Pilot.
I forgot what it's called. It's called the
Pilot something.
It's a 2CT tire, so it's a 2 compound. I can't remember, but it's the newer sport tire.
Got a steering damper.
Yep, steering damper.
This is a water-cooled Ducati.
Right.
It's got a good.
Of course, the got to have the US Desmo.
Oh yeah.
Engine turning access hole cover.
Desmo, US Desmo.
even got a safety riding bell.
Oh yes, good luck. Safety riding bell. Yeah, can't live without that.
There's no rear foot pegs. This is a solo bike only.
Solo bike only. Solo seat. Miles.
Miles are obscure, but I would say the engine had 350 miles on it that was put in the bike. So I have put on.
Marvin went through that motor too, right?
Yep, took it apart.
Yep.
And it's got. Now this instruments used other instruments. The instruments are showing 11,880, but we put the instruments on at 9,000. So I would say you're looking at 2,000 miles.
Okay, so them
from a new engine. So just to be safe, say 2,500 miles.
2,500 miles on the motor.
Yeah, on the whole bike. I mean, on the suspension and everything.
Yeah. Okay. So
fully adjustable.
Wheel bearings, everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
clutch.
Yeah, everything new.
Clutch.
It was built. It was a ground up build.
Okay, let's hear this puppy run. And it's got a real nice sound. Don't know what that rattling noise is, you don't know much about Ducati.
Okay.
So yeah, dry clutch. That's just the way they are.
No leak.
No leak. Thing is almost just dead upright.
LED tail light with a
blinkers
smoke cover. Special license plate up tag so you don't hit it with your wheel. Nicely tucked in there.
And the
blinkers are in the tail light.
The tail light, right, right.
And
right.
front little blinkers.
Itty bitty blinkers on the front.
All LED.
And Olin's rear shock.
Right, Olin's rear shock.
Go
A CRG blind sight flip up mirror. That's $200 mirror.
Okay. And for you Harley fans, it has a Harley headlight.
Or Harley style.
Harley style. But custom, it's very custom.
Yeah, and the little brackets are all made by Marvin.
Marvin the Marvelous.
Right. Probably rides better than any bike I have too, in terms of handling.
Good
but
handling.
No traction control, no ABS.
No ABS.
But it just, as far
analog motorcycle.
Yeah.
But it is fuel injected.
Yes, oh yeah, they've been fuel injected for a long time.
But it has an enriching mechanism.
It has an enricher for starting it. It has a lithium battery too in it, a big one, a 24C EarthX lithium battery. So it's got a $300 lithium battery in it.
So it's got a $300 lithium battery. Wow. Yeah.
I just put a big one in because Ducatis still turn over slow, so I put in. They make a 36 cell one now, but this one has the 24 cell, which was the biggest I could get at the time.